Are your nails trying to tell you something? Decode the hidden messages. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever glanced at your fingernails and wondered if they're trying to send you a secret message? Turns out, those little ridges and bumps might be more than just a cosmetic concern. They could be a window into your overall health. Let's dive in and uncover what your nails are really saying. Your fingernails are like tiny health barometers, reflecting the inner workings of your body. When your nervous system is thriving, your nutrient levels are optimal, and stress is under control, your nails are typically smooth, pink, and strong. Think of them as a report card from your body. But let's face it, modern life often throws us off balance. Stress, poor diet, and hectic schedules can wreak havoc on our nervous system. And guess what? One of the first places this imbalance shows up is on your nails, often in the form of vertical ridges. Vertical ridges on your fingernails are often a distress signal from your nervous system. They can indicate two primary issues. Either your nervous system is overworked and struggling to keep up, or you're deficient in essential B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12. B vitamins are the unsung heroes that fuel your nervous system, ensuring it runs smoothly. However, a diet heavy in refined foods, skipped meals, and chronic stress can deplete these vital nutrients. This can lead to iron deficiency anemia, hindering your blood's ability to deliver nutrients to your nail beds, resulting in thin, weak nails and those pesky ridges. The good news is, you can naturally reverse these nail changes and restore your health. Here are 6 powerful remedies to bring your nails and your overall well-being back to life. Remedy number 1, nutritional yeast. This nutritional powerhouse is packed with B vitamins, including B12, which are essential for a healthy nervous system. Just 2 tablespoons a day can help calm anxiety and nourish the nerve endings beneath your nails. Sprinkle it on popcorn, add it to soups, or blend it into smoothies for a cheesy, savory boost. Remedy number 2, embrace shellfish. Shellfish like mussels, crab, shrimp, and clams are rich in vitamin B12 and essential minerals. Consuming shellfish just 3 times a week can significantly boost your nervous system health, reduce fatigue, improve memory, and clear brain fog. Remedy number 3, rethink antacids. Antacids and proton pump inhibitors can hinder your body's ability to absorb vitamin B12 and iron, potentially starving your nervous system. Consider a natural alternative like apple cider vinegar, which helps restore healthy stomach acid levels and promotes nutrient absorption. Mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of water before meals. Remedy number 4, methylcobalamin B12 supplement. If you're vegan or plant-based, you may not be getting enough B12 from food alone. Methylcobalamin, a bioactive form of vitamin B12, is easily absorbed by the body. A daily supplement can support nerve health, improve mood, and reduce those vertical nail ridges. Remedy number 5, coconut oil TLC. While addressing the root cause, pamper your nails with coconut oil. Gently buff your nails with an emery board and apply a coat of coconut oil. Its moisturizing and antimicrobial properties protect the nail bed, giving your nails a natural shine and smooth texture. Remedy number 6, wild-caught salmon power. Wild-caught salmon is a nutritional treasure trove, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, B12, and other essential nutrients. Consuming it a few times a week can strengthen your nails, improve your skin, and support brain health. Omega-3s also combat inflammation, which is crucial for a stressed nervous system. Here are some additional tips to enhance your nail and nervous system health. Limit refined sugar and processed foods as they deplete B vitamins. Engage in at least 5 minutes of daily exercise to boost blood flow. If you only have 1 or 2 vertical ridges, consider increasing your intake of heme iron from red meat or organ meats. Remember, your nails are early warning signs, so pay attention to them. Vertical nail ridges are more than just a cosmetic issue. They're your body's way of communicating. By understanding these signals and implementing natural remedies, you can revitalize your nails, support your nervous system, and boost your overall well-being. So the next time you notice something unusual about your nails, take a moment to listen. What are they trying to tell you about your health? If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more health tips. We'll be exploring more ways your body communicates hidden health issues in future videos, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your nails and your health.